You might have heard of slope as rise over run, which is what it is, but the way I think of it is just the amount it goes up over the amount it goes over. So an example here is I got this little graph, and so going up is positive, going down is negative. I just haven't written it out. To the right is positive, to the left is negative. So let's say that we have a point at 1, 2, at 2, 4, and just pretend there's a 6 over here, and 3, 6. We can draw a line here, and it will, so this line would have a slope. And the slope is, again, just how much it goes up over how much it goes over. So it's going up 1, and it's going over 2. So our slope is just 1 over 2. If we do another one, we can say, uh, we'll say it starts at 1, 1. It goes up to 4 and over to 2. And this line goes, starts at 1, 1. It goes 1, 2, 3, goes up to 4 here. So it goes up 3, goes over 1. Our slope is 3 over 1, otherwise just known as 3. We can also look at the possibility of it being negative. So let's say that it starts at 1, 4, and then we go down to 2, 3, and then we go to 3, 2, and then 4, 1. So every time we're doing it, it's going down 1 over 1. So it's down 1 over 1, otherwise known as negative 1. Another way for it to be negative would for it to be in the negatives here. So let me just write this out really quick. So let's say it starts at negative 1, 1 here. And then we go to negative 2, negative, or negative 2, 2, and then negative 3, 3, negative 4, 4. That's not going to autofill because I was a little too messy there. The graph isn't perfect, but it basically is. Just pretend that all the dots are on the line. So while we are going up 1 each time, we're going from 1 to 2 to 3. So we go up 1, we're going over minus 1. So it's still negative 1, even though we're going up, because we're going left. Now, if they were both going down, so if we take an example of, let's erase this up here too. Let's write these out. This is negative 2, negative 1's up there, negative 3, negative 4. So let's say that we started at 2, 2, and then we go to 1, 1, and then 0, 0 in the center here, and then negative 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative 2. So we're going down. I don't know if that's going to straighten out. Uh, I'm going to have to just make a straight line. Most of it is, just this is a little big. So even though we're going down 1 each time, so we're going down 1, and we're going left 1. We're going negative on the x-axis too. Well, a negative divided by a negative is just a positive. So it still ends up being positive, even if we're going down, negative in both directions.